How do I annotate types in a for loop? I want to annotate a type of a variable in a for loop. I tried this but it didn't work. What I expect is working autocomplete in pycharm March 2nd, 2016, but using pre-annotation didn't work. PS pre-annotation works for pycharm is greater than or equal to 2017.1.
According to PEP 526, this is not allowed. In addition, one cannot annotate variables used in a for or with statement. They can be annotated ahead of time, in a similar manner to tuple unpacking. Annotate it before the loop. pycharm 2018.1 and up now recognizes the type of the variable inside the loop. This was not supported in older pycharm versions.
I don't know if this solution is PEP compatible or just a feature of pycharm, but I made it work like this. And I'm using pycharm Community Edition the 1st of February 2016.
This works well for my in pycharm, using Python 3.6.
Python